In this video, we are going to learn how you can delete all the messages from your inbox over on Gmail. So do kindly watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. Alright, so all you need to do, you have to go to gmail.com. You can see I've got hundreds of emails from different websites, groups, and you can see there is a count of 2100 emails right here. Now I cannot delete these emails one by one. I need to do here, just simply click on this icon here and all the emails will be selected. And after that, just simply click on this delete button and all the emails will be deleted from your inbox. And right now I'm not going to delete my emails. So this is basically how you can delete the emails or on your inbox. And all for today's video, guys. I hope you have learned something new. Thank you so much for watching.